In this video, I will show you how to make posts on YouTube step by step. So make sure to follow along and watch the full video to learn how to create a YouTube community post, add text, images, polls or updates, and share it with your viewers to keep them engaged. If this video helps, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more simple YouTube and tech-based tutorials. Now to get started, what you want to do is head over to your YouTube channel. So if you come across youtube.com, what you can do once you signed in is come and click onto your profile icon in the top right hand corner and click onto view your channel. Once you come across to your channel, if you look towards the top of your channel underneath your logo, you're going to see we've got home, videos, playlist, posts, and if you do have a membership, that's going to be set up as well. So from here, click onto posts and it's going to take you across to your community post page where you can see all your previous posts. So you can see I've posted quite a few different things like polls and different posts and things like that as well. But this way you can come to actually create a post. So what you can do is from here, you can see we can share a post. So we can type some text into here. We can also create a poll or a quiz by selecting the option from here. For example, text poll, we can give that a click. And as you can see, we can start to create a poll. So you can basically come here to create posts and polls and things like that. And you can also change the visibility. So if you want to share this with all your viewers, you can set it to public. Or for myself, if I wanted to make it just for my channel members, I can select channel members from here. And of course, once you've created your post, you would just simply click the post button. Or what you can do, if you click the arrow next to post, you can schedule a post as well. So if you want it to be posted at a certain time or on a certain date, you can schedule it from here as well. So that's a quick overview on how to make posts on YouTube. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.